Welcome to this episode of Cooking with Kirby. Today we're going to be doing a pork stir fry. And you know what? Don't pass up on this recipe. This is a very, very good recipe. It was actually a freestyle cook that I did. But you know what? When I paired all the flavors together, it came out fantastic. So no further ado, let's get into the recipe so I can show you how to make it. Since you're here, hit the like and subscribe button and make sure that the notification bell is rang. Check me out on social media. That way you can get notification of all my new recipes. I took some pork loin, and that's about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds, and you want to cut those into very thin slices. Now we're going to need half an onion sliced, a small broccoli chopped with the florets and the stems, and then slice up 8 ounces of mushrooms. Now we're going to kind of make like a teriyaki sauce. So you're going to need 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. You're also going to need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. We're going to mix that with water and we're going to put that in at the end. We're going to thicken up that sauce. You're also going to need 2 tablespoons of packed brown sugar. You want to make sure that they're packed in there in the spoon. We're also going to need 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Last but not least, we're going to need some toasted sesame seed oil. Now we're going to go to our wok. Over high heat, we're going to add a little bit of oil. You can use vegetable oil or olive oil like I'm using. And we're gonna go ahead and add our pork once it's heated up. Now you do want to keep in mind that you want to spread the pork out kind of like around the bowl, because if it's in the middle, it's not gonna cook everything. So you want to just kind of like spread it out and then get each individual piece around your bowl. Now you just want to season with a little bit of salt and then season with black pepper. If you have white pepper, that is perfect. Over high heat, you're gonna be able to cook this pork really fast. So this is gonna be a quick thing. So once you get your pork all stirred up with the salt and pepper, we're gonna go ahead and add some of our other ingredients. And we're gonna add in our garlic, our soy sauce, our rice vinegar. Now you just wanna combine all those flavors. Once I added all of this, my kitchen was smelling fabulous. So just continue cooking your pork. Once you have your pork pretty much cooked, you wanna go ahead and add in your brown sugar. We're basically making like a teriyaki sauce here. Now we're gonna add 4 squirts of that toasted sesame seed oil. This stuff smells really good and it gives a good flavor to your food. Now we're gonna add in our mushroom, onions, and broccoli. We're just gonna let this cook for about 2 to 4 minutes. We just want a quick stir fry on that broccoli, so that way we can get them a nice little soft but still have a nice crunch to it. Once your broccoli are cooked, now we're gonna add that 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed in 1/4 cup of water. And then we're just gonna mix this together. Go ahead and turn off the heat. And it's gonna just start thickening up on us. And that's gonna be a nice, beautiful sauce for our pork stir fry. This is a fast and simple meal, plus your family will love it. Garnish it with a little bit of sesame seeds and put it over some rice noodles or some rice. Do not pass up on this pork stir fry. Once I put everything together, it was really, really delicious. You can serve it over some rice noodles or some rice. We served it over some rice and the kids loved it. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and click the bell so that way you can see all my future videos. And if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section. I'll get back to you shortly. Now I have these recipes. They're really good. You should try them out. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.